but still know that I'm good long as you're here with me. To be drunk and in love in New York City, midnight into morning coffee, burning through the hours talking. Damn, I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you. I knew from the first time I stayed for a long time, cause I like me better when I'm with you.
May buntag mga higala ni Ami karon sa Nature's Park. Ako nag-report na sa ka-reporter na dili mahaod na ka kuya. Orat
I might get to too much talking. I might have to tell you something. Damn, I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you.
Puno pa ilaw.
Ikaw ang bida. Bida.
Bida ang saya. Jollibee.
Jollibee. Dahil sa mga bida. Bida ni kaon.
I took some part of my
This
t-shirts.
is called no cost. Like there's no cost at all. No cost. Is this no cost?
No
What?
cost.
No cost?
And this one,
Yeah.
a very hot dog, like that dog, but this is hot. That one, not hot.
That's the dog. This is the hot.
And then
The hottest dog.
daru. This one is a kind of seafood which you should avoid because this is likajan.
Likay.
Like you should avoid this food.
Likay.
So we
Yeah,
should
Likay.
not eat that one.
Yeah, we should not eat. But I'm allowed to eat because I'm a food blogger. So let me try
Parat.
later.
Parat noy.
Hi vlog. I'm cooking dried fish now, danggit. You can cook this within 2 minutes. And after this, daddy. Oh, sunod.
Kabibo. Ako sab, ya kasabot ko na ini ako taghimo. Uyang pananod ako sab. Yan ko si Manoy.
So here are hot dogs. We just peeled them off with the help of my nephew. What's it gonna be? English apa?
Hotdog. Hotdog.
You. I knew from the first time I stayed for a long time, cause I like me better when I'm with you. Stay a while, stay a while, stay with me. Stay a while, stay a while, oh. Stay a while, stay a while, stay